Hello everyone, this is Lipsa and welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to talk about how can we easily integrate new habits into our routine in the most effective manner. These are my own experiences from the habits that I have been trying to integrate into my life for a long time. And let me be very clear, the goal of this video is not to suddenly transform your life in 1 week or in a very short period of time. It is overwhelming and quite impractical. The goal is to build a life that feels intentional rather than accidental. So let's talk about how to do it in a very simple and effective way. Firstly, we can decide the habits that we are trying to integrate in our routine. It can be anything. It can be as simple as drinking more water or starting to work out. But instead of depending on motivation, we can change the surrounding, the environment slightly. If we want to drink more water, we can keep a bottle in the table. If we want to read more, we can keep a book on the table or on the bed so that every time we go to sleep, we can read a few pages. If we want to work out, we can keep the workout clothes ready the night before. So the goal is not to make it. The goal is the goal is to make it hard to ignore. We make the good habit obvious by making it easier to do than rather not doing it. The second thing that helped me was tracking the habit every time I did it. It is like ticking it off somewhere. You know the feeling when we tick off the task that we assign to ourselves on a to-do list. It's uh, it's the same. It gives us a validation that is not from outside but from within. It feels like a reassurance that even if it was small, we kept the promise we made to ourselves. The third thing would be, if we can't find time for the habit, we can shrink it. If we do not have the time to do workout for 30 minutes a day, we can start by doing it for just 10 minutes a day. If we do not have time for a meditation session, we can just take 10 deep breaths. And if we can't finish a chapter of a book, we can simply read 2 pages. And lastly, if we fall off, we can start again. I lost many of my habit tricks earlier, and instead of restarting, I chose not to recall it and try to forget. That was worse than losing the streak. So do not overthink it. Do not label yourself as someone who can't build habits. Missing ones is very normal, and giving up because of it is the trap that we should avoid. It is not a failure, it's just your old patterns trying to pull you back. The more you restart without overthinking about it, the faster our brain rewires. So nobody is perfect. It's not that deep. It's mostly in our head. I struggle with consistency too, but showing up is what matters the most without attaching our emotions to it. So start small, make it visible, track it, shrink it if needed, and restart without feeling any guilt. And I'm sure over time it will compound. I hope this video helps you. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up and thank you for watching it till the end. Consider subscribing and let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye bye.